Let's make a short video about hyfetch, this little thing, and it has its configuration if you set it in the .config hyfetch.json. So this was take 2, this was my take 1. It's all kind of different choices, and it does not use these guys now, but when I launch it again, it's actually gonna ask, hey, what do you want? Because we've renamed this and it's looking for hyfetch.json, and it says, look, this is what I found, RGB, dark, available flag. So what color do I like? First one I used AKO sexual. The second one I used gender found. This one I'm gonna use dummy gender, right? Coloring systems. Then how bright does it have to be? 50% is for me enough. And then get all these choices. What do I like to look at for the next coming hours or days, right? How about random 4? And then you asked, can I save it? And then say yes. And what do we get? We get an hyfetch.json here. So Ctrl-T. From now on, it's always going to be that little thing. Now, I'm not that glad with it. So hyfetch 3. I renamed the first one to hyfetch.json and test it again. And this is actually the one I like better. So I'm going to keep this for a few days. That's how it works. Need more info? It's not my application. A lot of things are not my application. -h or -- help. The man is not available, otherwise I would say it, but man hyfetch is something you should type as well, the manual, but if the developer does not create it, you don't get anything. Voila, enjoy hyfetch, maybe a few hours of playing and gaming. All right, cheers.